CFA Level 1, August 2024. Is that when your exam is? Then you have to watch this video. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is especially for my CFA Level 1 August 2024 candidates. It's a kind of last minute tip, last few weeks tip. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And if you're already a part of this channel, then thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. So, CFA Level 1 candidates, I can only imagine the amount of anxiousness and nervousness you have in your hearts right now. Many of you are giving this exam for the first time. Some of you, of course, may be reattempting the exam. Both of you are equal. Let's first clarify that. Okay, कोई भी superior नहीं है whether you complete your CFA level 1 in the first attempt, whether you complete your CFA level 1 in the second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth attempt, you all are still equal. A few things that I think you should know at this point, because I know they're probably creating havoc in your head. A lot of people may have told you this is how you should study for your CFA. This is the number of questions you should do. इतने मॉक्स करने ही चाहिए, मॉक का स्कोर यही आना चाहिए, नहीं तो आप फंस चुके हो, blah 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 blah. All that advice that you got, good, but at this point of time, just shove it up. You don't need it anymore. Okay? Remember one thing, सुननी सबकी चाहिए, फाइनली अपने आप पे ट्रस्ट करना ही चाहिए, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट एडवाइस वाज गुड, बैड, रबिश, व्हाटएवर. किसी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इंसान ने भी दिया होगा, अच्छा ही होगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट योर प्रोसेस मोर. जस्ट बिकॉज वो इंसान ने वो एडवाइस किया, दैट मीन्स उसके लिए वो काम किया है, गुड, डजंट मीन वो इकलौता राइट मेथड है. राइट, देयर कैन बी वेरियस मेथड्स that can lead to the right destination. So please let that sink in the last few weeks. Don't pressurize yourself to do the standardized template that has been built by one person because it worked for them. It may have worked for 10 other people, but it's not necessarily a guaranteed template for passing. So please get that off. One more thing that I want to add related to this is, a lot of you feel जब तक हार्ड मेथड नहीं फॉलो होता, मतलब वो मेथड गलत है इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिसिंग, कि हमें रिवाइज करना है तो हमें सब कुछ फिर से टॉप से बॉटम पढ़ना चाहिए तो ही वो रिविजन सही है. ऐसा नहीं है. नॉट ऑल हार्ड roads lead to success. Sometimes even easy paths can lead you to the same success. So please take this in, sink it in, and let yourself follow the method that suits you. If you feel कि सिर्फ वीडियो देखने से आपको समझ आ रहा है, आपका रिविजन ज़्यादा जल्दी एंड इफेक्टिवली हो रहा है, it is giving you some spare time for yourself also, please go ahead with it. There is nothing wrong with it. If you're doing a mock, say just 1.5 weeks before your exam or 1 week before your exam because you were constrained with time, don't panic. It's fine. It's okay. Just because there are people who did it 4 weeks before doesn't mean कि वो पक्का पास होंगे ना पक्का फेल होगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So let that sink in as well. One more thing, mock scores. I have said this time and again. It doesn't matter what you're scoring in your mock. So once again, don't let that get to your head. Having said that, make sure you are also seeing what went wrong. खाली मॉक्स देने से या 2000 प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस करने से आप पास नहीं होंगे. आप पास तब होंगे जब जो आपने सीखा है, you've actually let it absorb in yourself properly. Things that went wrong, you've spent time with it, understood why it went wrong, and learned from it so that in case a similar situation comes in the exam, you can tackle it. That's what's gonna take you a step closer to your success or the achievement that you are looking for. With that, I just want to add one more thing. Remember, not everyone has the courage to do what you're doing and be at the place where you are. The CFA exam or any competitive exam comes with a lot of sacrifices, चाहे वो social sacrifices हो, financial sacrifices हो, family से थोड़ा distance होना, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. And like I said, not everyone is able to do it. So the fact that you are standing in this position really speaks a lot about yourself. Also, not everyone can do it. There are people who may have, you know, the strength to take the sacrifices, but they can't afford it. They just can't give the exam. So again, feel blessed about the position you are in. For the people who are giving their reattempt, it could be the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I know it can be so frustrating and so painful, but please don't let that past failure roam in your head. Remember, the CFA exam is pretty much playing with your mind more than the syllabus. The syllabus is not that tough. अगर आपने actually एक दो बार पढ़ लिया है, एक बार पढ़ लिया, एक बार रिवाइज कर लिया है, तो you are in a good place. But if your mind is not calm, all of you are gonna mess it up. It's a complete mind game. I always say this, it's something that's there throughout my channel, but I'm gonna add it for this video as well. Just before you enter the exam, make sure that you close your eyes and have that 1 minute conversation with yourself. Ask yourself, hey Tani, did I do my best? लास्ट मिनट जब ऐसे क्रूशल मोमेंट्स आते हैं ना, दिल से सच्ची आवाज आई जाती है, बोलोगे यस या नो? इफ इट्स अ यस, टेल योरसेल्फ ग्रेट, आई एम ऑलरेडी प्राउड ऑफ यू, अब आगे की मुझे कोई चिंता नहीं करनी, अब बस मुझे अंदर जाके फिर से अपना बेस्ट देना है, एंड दैट्स ऑल आई कैन डू. If the answer is no, again acknowledge it there and then. Say, okay, I understand, I agree with you, we possibly could have done better, but ab jo ho gaya hai, we cannot change it. Now let's just go in and do whatever we can at this point of time. What will this do? This will bring down your mind in one level. ना ज़्यादा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए, ना ज़्यादा लो कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. You need to be in one level of mind to be able to crack the exam. And believe me, कितने लोगों ने ये ट्राई किया, मेरे पास्ट व्यूअर्स ने, पास्ट क्लाइंट्स ने, मैंने, एंड इट हैज ऑलवेज वर्कड. So make sure, no matter what the situation is, level your mind and you will see magic happening. You will see your subconscious mind helping you to retain concepts that you think कि आप भूल गए हो, because believe me, भूलता कोई नहीं है अगर एक बार ढंग से पढ़ा है तो. With that, I'm wishing each and every one of you a very, very, very all the best. I hope you do very, very well. I hope you achieve what is the best for you, and I hope you get what the universe is conspiring to give you, that will lead a very, very good life for you. So, once again, all the very best to each and every one of you. I'm hoping with all my heart that you achieve success. And yes, with that, I'm ending this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.